So, Dr. Seetharam, I'm aware that although you're a member of FANSA, you're actually an orthopedic surgeon. And I wondered if you could share a bit with the membership about why, as an orthopedic surgeon, are you a member of FANSA and why are you working on climate change? Why are you here at the climate change talks?
Yeah, that's a question that's often asked. Um, as a medical professional, what's my locus standi in a water forum meeting, water sector meeting? Perhaps the answer goes back to our early days as an organization in the remote areas of Mysore. We were trained as physicians, we were trained as clinicians. So when we went out there, we thought we could make a major difference by prescription of drugs, of medicines. But actual stay in the community taught us that the answer lies elsewhere. It's not merely in tablets and injections and infusions, but in altering the environment in which people live. And therefore, after the initial intervention through Medicare, we moved on to healthcare. The understanding expanded. We realized that water, sanitation, food, nutrition, these matter much more than the prescriptions that a doctor can give. Therefore, we entered the environment or water sector, and we have been having grassroots level interventions in water sanitation since many years now. It is also now clear that the water sector is changing, water scenario is changing, and a major part of it is perhaps due to climate change, and we need to plan for future as well. Therefore, water being our concern, so is climate change, and we need to adapt, we need to alter our interventions as well, we need to sensitize the community about these issues and help them adapt. And therefore, it's important that we take this holistic view, we take this comprehensive development view of health, water, sanitation, awareness, and all this to make sure that we have a positive impact. It's also true that not many medical professionals share this viewpoint. It's always the preferred thing to be in the hospitals and be the doctor or do surgeries, and because that's always more attractive for medical professionals as well. So public health is generally not a seriously considered option. Perhaps therefore even the medical professionals need to be oriented towards these concepts. Surgeons spend a lot of time scrubbing before surgery, but unfortunately not many of them are aware that there is a hand washing campaign that goes on to prevent certain diseases. It's extremely important for the doctors themselves to make sure that their hands are clean, and they can be very, very effective influencers or change makers in bringing about a behavioral change in the community. So it's perhaps a time that the medical professionals started looking at these behavioral aspects of people and make a much greater impact through prevention rather than mere cure.